Over here, we about to go. Well, he want to do a good Samaritan thing about a tree in the road. Long as we don't get arrested, I'm down. So this is the witness video, and it's coming down on the mountain. Avery, you don't want to take. I wouldn't take this concrete, man. If you can, because you'll slide down like a water slide. Want to walk in the grass with me, man? Because don't get hurt on my yard, because I can't do no.
You want to take Cody on a walk down there,
I'm all right on my feet, man. Because I can say I live out here. I'm in the car. I'm a nigga fugitive or something, man.
Well, it's a pretty good walk.
How much? About 300 yards? Still, man, because with car on the road and people can't hardly see. Yeah, Avery, I get on the grass, the green part. That's why I was warning you. Don't.
Green part.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to tear. See right here? Oh man, my tablet getting a little snowy. I'll cover it with my shirt. Man, this tablet been all over the world, man. Oh. Are you sure you need to cut it with the saw, man? I don't know, man. We'll take a look at it and get our options. The river's frozen. Well, not frozen. It's running, I got my house here, but I just don't want to clean up after. No, I'm good. They didn't even have time to salt the roads, did they? Last night. You sure they did? It don't look like they did. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, man. It's gonna be a lot of hurt up people. And, hey, what you gonna do if your power go out? Man, it's wood burning stove. Yeah, how she doing? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They ain't soft nothing, man. Well, man, I just figured where we gonna park. And that's what I'm saying. You know, I don't feel like having to brawl today. No cussing. You know, country folk. Oh, man, I might have to turn this off for now. Yeah. Avery's Samaritan saved y'all. There's cars. There's a tree. Hey, sir.
I need you up there.
Oh, boy, you ain't got me climbing now, is you?
I need you on the other side of the tree.
I know I'm ninja trained, but I don't know if I want to. I probably could make that bank, but.
Well, I don't need you there. I think you keep cars off of me.
The black dude, well, that will scare somebody off the road, but they'll think it's a mug in the stall. Yeah, that was a pretty. It looked like it just broke, man.
That's what it is. That one fell down and broke this one off.
While you were driving down the road.
Yeah.
Crap, man. I see where you swerve. It's another day of work. Oh no, that's pretty dang dense to do one-handed. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, y'all. Whoa, whoa. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Depending on your definition of fun, but Samaritan job done, Avery. Let's head on back. I don't know, man. Alright.